Are you curious what video editing apps are best for course creators? Are you curious what apps I have found over the years and still use today as an online course owner business? In this video, I'm not going to hold back. I'm going to share with you every single one of my very favorite video editing apps. Really quickly, if we have not met before, hello, my name is Molly Kaiser. I'm an online course expert who's done over $8 million in online course sales. And now I love to help people just like you turn your passion into your very own profitable online course for consistent passive income. Okay, so before I dive into the apps, I want to share with you how I use video throughout my business, because then you'll understand better why I use certain apps for certain things and how I use them. So one of the very first things that I use video for is actually recording my courses, right? So you can record your courses with a high-end camera. I have a Sony a7 III, or you can even use the cinematic setting on your iPhone. iPhones have come a long way, and you can certainly create a very great, high quality, highly great informative course with just your cell phone. So that's one of the first things that I use video for in my course related business. The next thing I use video for in my course business is recording ads. Another thing I use video for is recording TikToks, Reels, YouTube videos, and YouTube Shorts. And last but not least is recording videos for our web pages, website, and funnels. Okay, now that you understand what types of video I'm creating throughout my business, let's talk about my favorite apps and specifically what I'm using them for. Okay, so first let's talk about what I use to edit my YouTube videos. Now, I have not edited my YouTube videos in a really long time. I have a full-time editor for that. But when I was editing my videos, I was just simply using iMovie. Now, unless you want to take a lot of time to learn Premiere Pro or you already know Premiere Pro, I would highly, highly recommend iMovie for editing your course videos, your YouTube videos, any kind of long form video content. Now, when it comes to editing short form video content, let's say like Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, I would highly recommend the app. And I know it's for sure for iPhone. Let me know in the comments below if you know if it's for Android or other types of phones. But this app is called InShot, InShot, InShot. And this app is incredible. You can use this to splice up your video, to edit out mistakes or ums or different things like that. You can use this to add text to your videos. In fact, a lot of times I will use this to edit even my trend Reels and TikToks, because the TikTok and Reel editor built into the Instagram and TikTok apps is honestly kind of confusing. I just think InShot is way easier, but you can use it to edit any kind of short form video content really easily on your phone. Like, I cannot recommend this app highly enough. Okay, bouncing a little bit around here, but let's go back to YouTube videos. Now, I know that I shared with you guys that I used iMovie, but now I have a video editor. Now, there is still an app that we use to best work together. So once my video editor is done editing the video, he will send it to me to review. And this app is like life-changing, okay? This app is called Frame.io, Frame.io. And basically what it does is it allows your video editor to send you the video with all the edits. And as you're watching it back to review it, you can pause and leave a comment, and it will leave a comment on that exact second of where you were watching. So it's very easy for the video editor to know the exact point you're talking about and really understand better the comment you're making about what kind of changes need to be made to those edits. So if you're working with a video editor, whether it's long form or short form video content, I would highly recommend this app. Okay, this is an app that I just discovered this year, and it's blown my mind. Like, I don't know about you, but when I'm filming short form video content, specifically ads, it can be really hard for me to say everything I need to say in under 3 minutes, 90 seconds, 60 seconds, whatever that needs to be. And so I love this app. It's called BigVu, BigVu. And basically what it does is it allows you to write scripts, to have a teleprompter built into your phone. So basically you download the app, and like I said, it's BigVu. And let's say you're going to make a 3-minute long video ad. Well, you can type out every single thing that you want to say, and it will tell you even before you record it, this is going to be 90-second video. This is going to be a 60-second video. This is going to be a 3-minute video. So you know exactly how long it's going to be. And then you just hold your phone and record like you normally would. And all of the text is right at the top. So people can't even tell that you're reading a teleprompter. It looks like you're just looking directly into the camera on your phone. And this way, you know exactly what you're going to say ahead of time. You know it's going to sound good. There's not going to be any ums, any mistakes, nothing like that. You can set how fast the teleprompter reads. No one's even going to know you're reading from a teleprompter teleprompter, and it literally just makes it so easy for you to like say the best thing in as little time as possible. And it also allows you to take a lot less takes. It maybe will only take me maybe 1 to 3 takes to record something instead of like a bunch of takes if I don't know like exactly what I'm saying ahead of time. With a longer form video, that's okay. But with short form, it's like, oh, I have to say all of this really well in only 60 seconds. So anyways, if you record those types of videos, I really hope that you will check out that app, Big View. Game changer. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to recommend you guys an app for putting captions on your videos. So you know how on Instagram, when you're doing an Instagram story, they allow you now to put those captions on your stories, right? But I know, like me, and I'm sure a lot of other people, they're putting out TikToks and Reels where it has the captions built in. And up until right now, I literally just found out about this app last week. And up until I found out about it, I was paying a video editor to edit every single word, like all of the captions onto my videos. Not only does that cost me money, but it's a lot of work for the video editor and it takes a long time. So when this app got released, I was like, this is it. This is a game changer. I'm on it. So this app is simply called Captions, okay? And I'm sure you know what types of videos I'm talking about, like Grant Cardone, Alex Hormozi, Dan Henry, I don't know, all these different types of people, Stacy Tushel, they make these videos for Reels and TikToks, and I do too, so you can check out my account, where basically it's like a vertical and their head, and then there's like captions above it. And this is great for multiple reasons. It keeps the viewer like entertained because they can look at you, they can look at the captions and so forth. But also if people are watching videos on Reels or TikTok or YouTube Shorts with the sound off, they can still watch your video and gain all of that information from it. And so again, this app is literally going to save you hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars because you no longer need to hire a video editor to edit in all these captions. You just download the Captions app. I believe it's maybe $7 a month. And what you do is you just simply upload your video and then you hit like the check mark and it just generates all of your captions for you. And what's cool is there's the setting called Highlight, H-I-L-I-T-E, I believe it is. And it transcribes all the words above you and puts emojis. So it looks exactly like your favorite creators on TikTok and Instagram. And it does it all automated. And again, you can go to my Instagram. I'm at Molly M. Kaiser, or on my TikTok at Molly Kaiser, and check out these videos to see an example of like the vertical talking head with the captions and the emojis above. Huge game changer. Again, that app is called Captions. So to recap, the apps that I talked about are InShot, iMovie, Frame.io, Captions, and Big View. Now that you know all of the apps that I use in my course business, you might be thinking, I want to have an online course. Maybe you know that you can make great money with an online course, you can help a lot of people, and you can generate consistent passive income with an online course as well. Maybe you're not sure what your idea for your course should be about. Maybe you're not sure how to create the curriculum or even how to grow a following and sales for your course. Well, you're in luck because I have a free on-demand training that will teach you all of that and more. So I'm going to pull down my video, pull up my screen, and show you click by click how you can register right now for this free on-demand training. All right. So all you have to do is go to profitablecourses.com/class, and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. The design might look exactly like this, or it might look a little bit different because we do split test the pages. But just know that you're on the right page as long as it says that this is my free instant workshop on how to create your own online course that generates consistent passive income. I'm so freaking stoked. You are going to learn a lot. This is value packed. All right. So you're going to learn how to discover your $1 million course idea and how to position it for profitability. You're going to learn how to design your course curriculum like a professional in 60 minutes or less. And you're going to learn how to start profiting from your course idea in the next 30 days, and then how to automate sales for passive income, just like I have done. All right. So all you have to do is go to that link, click on register now. You're simply just going to fill in your name, your email address, select the date and time you want to watch it at, and then you're going to click register now, and you're going to be able to watch it instantly or at the date and time that you have selected. I cannot wait to see you inside.